Welcome to Ngcobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngcobo2010sharpeye.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngcobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Polokwane City 0. My brother Gunjan.
Hey, ngiyaphila Mapolo.
Danke futhi. Your take on the game namhlanje?
Umoya uphansi futhi. Besiqabanga ukuthi sizoyiwina igame. Vele besize la si count ukuthi u33 points usifaka ku top 8. Noma 34 points usifaka ku top 8 sihlale ku number 6. I number besikhalculateile kodwa akusenzekanga still sikule number besikuyo sifika kule game. Akufuneka ukuthi singablame umuntu, kumele sisiblame thina sisinuka amakhwaphi. Le season Mapolo mayibuka. It was very easy because last season besifuna 1 point siku 39 point. This season siku 32 point besifuna 2 point. So kusho khona ukuthi season be very easy ukuthi why sihlule yini ukuthola lo 2 point singene ngaphakathi and nakhona 2 point ngube sitholile sihlala ku number 6 hayi ku top 8 sihlala hayi ku 8 sihlala ku number 6 so kusitshela khona ukuthi I league be very easy le noma ngiyibuka kodwa yithi step
niyekelele
siyekele I league uqala ukuwina 5 game maqala I-season ilapha abantu basliphe khona amanye ama team asukathi sizowina ileague kodwa wena uwine le early ukuthi uthole mhlambe first game uwine yonke then izokunikeza ukuthi nase sebaqala bavula amehlo amanye amaqembu lokho kukunikeza ukuthi hayi siyayiwina ke manje ilokhu njani bayitshela ukuthi asesifuna la ba calculator thina asayiphetanga calculator but now sayiyeka thina 5 game kumele uwine 5 game and 5 game kunikeza how many point lesikhathi balela abantu ukuqhubeka going forward uyazi ukuthi so ya calculate ukuthi manga in the next game in the next 5 game manga winner lokhu njani let's say 3 times 15 is 15 then you can say let me get 5 or let me get 6 so you write wena ngoba the first game 5 game you win it all then you write ukuthola 6 point uyabuya futhi in the next 5 game uyacalculate ukuthi mangathola kule 5 game in this 15 point if ingathola 4 point kuyakunikeza njalo uyakhuphuka njalo but to us we are saying asiyeke iSundowns asiyeke iteam ethile ayisizobuye at the end of the lokunjani season asikaze sabuya mangabe sesifike eqineni Kaizer Chiefs angaze ngibone ukuthi ubounce back even last season besifuna u1 point usingene top 8 asihlulekile eqineni sifuna 1 point angisuthola
na loser the last game
yes yabona namhlanje thina besifuna u2 point azange suthola
exactly
and uyayibona ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs lapho nalapho mase uyayibuza umsupport weKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ulilepo simthenge eSwati striker
or winger
or attacking midfield so ngoba ngimtholanga namhlanje ucoach uthi umdlalisana people Mapolo bathi unaba kasithengela ama play it's highly impossible a coach buying players akaze kwenzeka kuKaizer Chiefs unless we said ilokhu njane imanagement asithengela ama play uJessica Mtangu wakwaphuma out wasithengela ama player ngakubangela boTshepo Masilela ngesikhathi sakutwa u2010 Tshepo Masilela baningi boJimmy Tau baningi bopagaqa baningi mangaba mention lapha imanagement ama players thengela wona wayenesinda available but mawusongitshela ukuthi wena ufuna uApolice uhlale ebenchini namhlanje bayangekho ku game so wayifuna umuntu ongamazi nokuthi ukuphi so kusho khona ukuthi wayona iclub yambona ukuthi akwala umuntu standard sakhe asikho but iKaizer Chiefs zothi iyamfuna uyahamba uyofuna kulabantu abarelegatiwe namhlanje kunamaqembu Cape Town City irelegative but mangathi uyabheka
I think access Super Sport I think it's Super Sport
relegatory but thina si negotiate
not relegated but then yakuma playoffs
no I'm talking about someone who's going to uhleli number 15
number 15 relegator it's
relegated
playoffs
okay but thina besikhuluma neCape Town City sifuna ama player abo ngoba sisitshela ukuthi bayahamba and nakhona uma uzothatha umdlalo leqinini kuzosiza ngani noma ngathiwa siyofuna abadlali sizobathola kuyipi I-platform so ake sikhulume Mapolo mangabe iKaizer Chiefs ilandele kudala besigeta buy one get one free
Exactly.
balumsona umsona ufika wenzani balumbesungu ba outside labantu osip nasep na nasep ba outside labo onengomasho ungabala ama player
Patrick Mabedi
uma yabona abantu abangaphandle but mafika benza impact like because sifuna ama player thina mapholoba are hungry for something, we are passionate. But ama players uzowafuna la South Africa omunye uthi hayi mangadlala ku Sundowns una leyo mentality mangaya ku Kaizer Chiefs ngithola opportunity yokuya ku Sundowns because mangamemezela mina ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yangifuna iSundowns zoqala ingifuna I understand sinalabo badlali and okwenza ukuthi thina ngeke baze basisize kodwa masingaya ngaphandle boNamibia, Swaziland, Zimbabwe lawo ma player lawo ane mentality ukuthi ngifuna overseas and afika adlale la South Africa and sawin ileague alabo bantu yabo namhlanje samkhalela umsona sazi ukuthi uyinto enjani kodwa sisakhala ngalabantu
umsona udlala overseas
yeah njoba ngisho ukuthi kunama player masiphumela ngaphandle manje iliphi player othoma phuma wa early striker walithola because bengithi mina Christopher Mayela ufunwa yimina as a supporter ngiyacabanga ama supporters amjabulela but management yamfuna na because mangabe Christopher Mayela bekafuna imanagement bengabe uzoza ku Kaizer Chiefs next season so bese ngisho khona ukuthi ngoyigoqa kwami mapholo iKaizer Chiefs got outside ifuna abadlali bangaphandle aba hungry abazi ukuthi angifune Sundowns abayazi Sundowns but ngifuna ukudlala phesheya ngaphandle noma ngathiwa yipi lizo Australia or wherever into eKaizer Chiefs mele yenza kuphela kumapholo so into engayisho nje ngidriver ngibile back eMpumalanga siyophumula siphumelela isizini ezayo ngithi izoba long mapholo kwabanye ishort ngoba asikho kulokhu njalo
very soon
so engakusho mapholoba iKaizer Chiefs kwakune cup ngazi noma uyakukhumbula ukuthiwa iVodacom challenge iKaizer Chiefs bengicela ukuthi ibuyele kulawo makhapha kanjalo abokabamba msasa sibathole kuleyo competition angithi befike benzani basidlalela kahle so sadlala nabo Manchester bobani besiprove lapho ukuthi thina siyamatcha yini ama local team and uthola siyabashaya Manchester bashaya bobani so ingakho into engisho ukuthi ngirepa up ukuthi ngicela iKaizer Chiefs ibuyisa ama trophy anjalo you can't mapholoba you can't go play abo young mawuthatha istandard sase young eTanzania usiletha la thina si high and iTanzania uthola ukuthi ibo 100 and something league yakhona so ngasho kanjani ukuthi compete nabantu abo 100 and something so ngcono mawufaka icompetition enjalo go to Morocco ufuna amaklub ase Morocco ufuna amaklub ase Cameroon ufuna amaklub ase Tunisia ufuna amaklub ase Nigeria leni sesiyobona ukuthi uya prepare for next season singajabula ukuthi ngatholakala ama competition but masiya la Southern Africa idokunjani iclub competition esingathi thina si prepare for i-season ngiyafisa ukuthi njoba thina ngithi manje siya ku Nedbank isilethe ukuthi siphumele ngaphandle Confederation Cup mabholo ngifisa ngakho ngifisa ukuthi ake sitholene amaqembu la eAfrica khona singagabeli kuye Turkey so jima ehlathini ake sihambe siye Nigeria so thola amaclub ase Nigeria ake sihambe siye Tunisia so thola amaqembu nje off season yethu prepare i-season ezayo amaqembu ale eNorth Africa engicabanga ukuthi angasenza noma thi oshaya 20-0 but it's fine mapholoba ngibonge kakhulu futhi i-season yonke besinani kodwa ngicela ukunibonga yes ngicela ukurep up sicela kunibonga nina mapholoba ngeplatform ukuthi nisineke sizokhipha ubuhlungu kini mina I once enter the pitch ngigijima suref ngoba bengekho iplatform enginikeza ukuthi ngizwa buphi ubuhlungu yipi into engibonayo namhlanje kodwa after ngingene laphana bangitshela bas advisor ukuthi makuphela igame go to unama channel azokwenza ukuthi ubhodle siyabonga ukuthi nisibhodlise mapholoba going forward abantu ngicabanga ukuthi bazonibuka ama channel bawa support ukuthi sizobhodla uma nangabe kufanele si donate noma ngathiwa 10 noma 2 rand mina I'm willing ukuthi wonke ama channel engengakhuluma ku angitshela umuntu ukuthi hayi eyami challenge can you subscribe noma 6 months ngisubscribe to abanye ngisubscribe 6 months after that ngiyaphuma kuwe mapholoba ngenzela ukuthi niphushe lento ukuthi nesinikeza ukuthi sibhodle ngiyafisa nakuwe ungithinte ngumashonisa ku inbox yami ku TikTok bese ngitshela mashonisa mina ngimafuna ukusubscribe ku channel yami ukuze nina kanje ngiyafisa nakuwe ukuthi masiqala isizini ngizokusubscribe nakuwe for 6 months
ngakubona uphethe sikhwabo umlando referee lapha danke bese kakhulu bese kipwele shop next man For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.